Hello, grade 3. Welcome to week 12 inquiry. Our learning this week is focusing on soil and erosion. So, here we go. Conceptual question. What is the connection between the layers of the earth and the rock cycle? And what effect does erosion have on the formation of soil? So grade 3's by the end of this lesson. Let's focus on this learning goal right here. We will be able to identify and describe the formation of soil and erosion. Starting off, part A is Tuesday in your learning grid. We know you do you. So if you get it all done before you do it on Monday, that's fine. I'm just letting you know how it's laid out in our learning grid. So, hey there, geologists. First of all, what is soil? Is it just dirt? Watch this video. What is the dirt on dirt? When you click on it, it will look like this. If you don't get all the information the first time, go back and watch it again. That's fine. Keep your inquiry journal with you. Note down facts and information. You'll want to find out the 4 different components that make up soil, because you'll be having to recall that to complete your jot notes. How many? 4. All right. So you might want to open up your jot notes beforehand and do a little preview. But what? I can do that for you. After, you'll be needing to put down the 4 key parts of soil in your jot notes. But we'll go over that later, my friends. Next, we need to figure out what role erosion plays. So, you'll be able to visit a site to explore the 3 main types of erosion: chemical, organic, and mechanical. And they're connected but different. So we'll find out how they work together to break down rocks and minerals to create soil. So there's weather that can decompose. Decompose is when it just slowly kind of disappears over time. Can be organic. Trees can break rocks. Think about that when you're like riding your bike and then you hit a big bump and it's a tree branch. And weather can break up rocks. And you might be thinking, what? How many potholes have you found in Edmonton? So the site will look like this. And it gives specific examples. And you'll have an opportunity to explore them. And I won't spend too much time here, but you can spend time and explore and find out more. So when you're done, you can answer the question, is soil and dirt the same thing? What makes you say that? So next, you can go answer the conceptual question. What is the relationship between erosion and soil? Now that you've explored, you will have the opportunity to explain your thinking in your jot notes. So you will go to Google Classroom, click on your jot notes, which look like this. Again, the conceptual question really focusing on the connection between the layers of the earth and the rock cycle, and what effect does erosion have in the formation of soil. So, use the notes you made in your inquiry journal. Number 1, what are the 4 key parts of soil? Go back and watch the video if you need to. Number 2, answer this question. I used to think soil was. Type in what you used to think soil was. Now I know. What do you know now? Next, don't think you're done. Often people just turn it in at this point, but you're not done. You're going to scroll down. These pictures match what we've learned on the Erosion website. Okay, it's this website here. So, 3 or more facts about each type of erosion. So, 3 facts about chemical erosion, 3 or more facts about organic, and 3 or more facts about mechanical engineering. Bonus. Bonus means you do not have to do this, but you can if you choose. You can write here. If you know how to insert a picture, you can do that. Or you could send your teacher a picture or a video. Where have you seen erosion in your own life? Give 3 examples. Or just give 1 or 2. Maybe you can just find 1 example. That's fine. So, do you have to do this? No. Again, no, you don't have to do this, but you can if you choose to. You might be out in your backyard, in the community, you might find some cool examples. So that is our Monday. Did I just say Monday? Oh, zoinks. Tuesday inquiry. Part B is Thursday. It's also in the learning grid. However, you are now prepared to do battle. Let the concept battle begin. And you're going to share your thinking on Flipgrid. So, if you go into your grid, the full instructions are there. But there is a video explaining this concept battle, brief instructions, and the full instructions are in this week's learning grid, and there is a review video here. All right, so have fun. And if you have any questions, ask yourself, read the instructions, and then make sure you contact your teacher. We're always here to help you. All right, geologists, have an awesome week. Bye.